If you're looking to build exercises, tests, quizzes, etc. around YouTube videos and you want to do it really quickly, this is the tool for you. Incredibly, the technology I'm going to show you, and it's great fun, is completely free, so you can use this AI technology, create a quiz in literally seconds and then play it with your students either in the class live or for homework. Now I'm going to put a QR code on the screen now, and if you use that QR code you can test out an example of exactly what I mean. So just get your camera, fire at the screen, fire at the QR code, try it out, and if you like it, watch the video and you'll learn how I did this. It really did take me seconds. All you need to do is write in your name and then click on start. Now you can watch the video first and then answer the questions, or if you notice on the screen of your smartphone you can just click on the questions and begin to answer them. The video is really short, so watch the video first and then answer the questions. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I made that quiz, and it literally took 5 seconds to make it. Really hope you like this video, and if you do, please like it, please share it, please comment on it, and of course join me on my YouTube channel. Any of those things will really help to push my ranking on YouTube. And one final thing, people always ask me, how do you make your videos? I use a product called Camtasia. This is not a commercial talk, but in the description below there is a link if you want to download and try it for free. There's also 2 links if you want to buy either the educational or commercial version, and my links give you an additional 10% discount. And finally, there's a 6-part free course on exactly how I use Camtasia to make videos. It's all below in the description. Let's get started. So the technology I'm using is Quizizz.com. I've signed into the free account. I do have a paid account, but I'm going to show you this activity from the free account. I'm going to click on create. It's that simple, and I'm going to click on quizzes, and then the choice that I'm going to make is convert URL to quiz. That's all you need to do, and now you need to find yourself a YouTube video. So let's dive over and I'll quickly show you a few tricks when searching for videos on YouTube. Now, there is a really useful trick when searching for a video on YouTube, and watch this. I'm going to click on a video and I'm going to click on, let's say, videos about London. This will really help you, this little trick, because it will mean that you can choose a video that's shorter and perhaps has got subtitles. Now, one really interesting thing that you can do is click on this filters button here. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to choose videos with subtitles. And I'm also going to choose videos, I'm going to go back again, that are under 4 minutes. And the reason for that is, A, I'm guessing that we want a video that's got subtitles so that the quizzes can extract the subtitles and make the questions, but also I don't want the students watching a video that's too long. So now I've got short videos about London, and I can just grab one of these videos. I'll click on this one here, and I'm just going to copy the link. So if I now copy this link here from the top, just copy that, and now I'm going to jump back to Quizizz. So I'm back on Quizizz. I'm going to paste in that link, and I'm going to say that allow students to watch this video while answering. I'm going to give the option yes. I'm going to click on automatic regarding the number of questions, and I'm going to click on generate questions with video. And now the AI is going to come into action. Now, if you want to know more about Quizizz, I will put a video on the screen now that will go through it in much more detail. It's a great technology. Sign up to the free account. You've got lots of options in the free account. The paid account is also really interesting, but the free account does offer a lot more than other quiz tools like Kahoot. So if you want the free account, then I really would recommend this technology. Now, it's already done, you can see it on the screen, but what I can do now, which is interesting, is I can click through and just have a quick look at all of the activities and make sure that I'm happy. And if I'm not, I can just click and edit anything. If I need to change anything, then I can simply just click and edit either on the screen by just clicking on it and rewriting something. Make sure as well that you can see clearly marked what is the correct answer. It's all done for you, and this particular quiz has got 5 questions. Now I can add some more questions if I like, but if I'm happy with everything and I've done all my editing and all the correct questions, I've got the correct answers, then all I need to do is click on save and publish. So I'm going to click on save and publish because I'm happy with this one. So I click here. Now it's very interesting because you've got various options when you're working with the free tool. You can either assign it as homework, which is what I did in this video, where you've got the QR code, is that I assigned it as homework so that people can do it when they find the video, they can do it. But you can do it live, and I'm going to show you this live. So if you want to do this in the classroom with your students, then you're going to see how easy it is to do. So I'm going to click on start a live quiz. We'll do classic. There's no need to change anything here, and just leave all of these settings. And the easiest thing to do is just to click on continue, and I'll show you the options now. The quiz is now ready. You can share the link to the quiz with the students, and that way they can just click on the link and join the group. Or you can click on the QR code and open it on the screen, and I'm going to log in a minute and show you what it would look like if I did log in. That's another option. Or a third option is the students would go to joinmyquiz.com and write in that code. So what I'm going to quickly do now is log in on my phone by using the QR code. You won't be able to do this because I'll be closing this quiz down. You've obviously done the quiz at the beginning of the video. This is just a demonstration one. This one won't be live, but I'm going to quickly log in now just to show you what it's like for the teacher. So I'm pointing my camera at the screen. The activity is now opened up onto my screen. I'm going to close this down, and you'll notice as soon as my name appears on the screen, so I'm just going to write in my name now and click on start, and now I'm waiting, and there's the first person, and of course all the other people that are going to go in the quiz will all come here on the screen. You'll see them all, and when you're ready to start the game, you click on this button here and the game will start. I'm just going to turn the music down. Now you can only see me on the screen, and obviously if I start to answer the questions now, so I start to answer the first question, then you can see that I got the first one wrong, and then the next question comes up, and then I click on that and I got that one wrong as well. Now of course if you had more people in the class, then all of their scores would be coming up on the screen here. Once the game is finished, that is once everyone's answered all of the questions, then the game will end. But of course you can end the game early. I'm just quickly working through the game so you get an idea of exactly what will be happening when your students are working through the game. And once the game is over, and now it is over, all the questions have been answered, click on end, say yes, you're happy to end the game. The game's ended. It will tell you who's top. And also, interestingly, it will give you lots of data about the students that did that activity and whether they got wrong or right. So you've got really the overall of each individual, but you can also look at the questions individually and see what questions students got right and what students got wrong. This is a great tool. There are other really good tools for making activities that you can use in the classroom with your students, and if you want to watch a video about a particular tool, there's one called WordWall that I also like. I'm a big fan of Quizizz, but I'm also a big fan of WordWall, and I'll put a video on that on the screen now in case you want to watch it. Okay, really hope you liked that video, and if you did, please come over to teachertrainingvideos.com. Loads more free videos. You can scroll down on the opening page and see some of the latest stuff and the most popular videos. There's lots of sections here at the top. If you really want to follow my work, then sign up to my newsletter. We have about 12,000 subscribers. You get basically a free email every week where I tell you about a new video that I've released onto YouTube, but also as part of signing up you will get a kind of mini course of the top 14 most popular videos that I've produced over the years. There are no tricks. Nearly everything that I focus on is completely for free, and that newsletter is completely for free and it's very popular. Finally, if you want, you can contact me if you want me to perhaps do some training for your organization or even for you as an individual. I'm going to leave a few more videos now on the screen of other technologies you might be interested in, and thank you very much.